Hi everyone. So, like I promised, I would show these all finished. Let's see if I can catch that color shift. Probably not. But I'd show these in my next video. So that's the one with black border. And here's the one with white border, which I love. Look at that. There we go. You can see the metallic there. Ta-da! We are going to be working on it's a 20 by 20 from Artist Loft. We're going to start by painting it black, taping off the edges, and then I'm going to tape off a design in the center. And then we're going to paint it black again, and when that's completely dry, we will be back. And I have a couple ideas. I got just one of those little cardboard tubes, 6 little triangles into it, and we're going to hold that down, pour through there. Then I have these 2 little cups that came off of some plastic container, and I put 5 slits into it. And we're just gonna play with these. Start by painting this black so you guys can see how I do this process, and then once it's painted black and dry, I'll be back and I'll show you the taping and everything. So I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay, so we have it all dry. Step 2 is getting your tape down. I line it up along the bottom, right there. Make sure push up and follows that edge just like that. So I always start by folding it over in the center and slowly working my way outwards. So otherwise you get those little wrinkles. You want to avoid wrinkles. Just like that, and then you can come in and just rub lightly. You don't want to damage the canvas. Just make sure you have the best adhesion all the way across, like that. And just repeat this on all 4 sides. And I'll be back as soon as I'm done with that. Okay, so all 4 sides are all taped up. They're all set and ready. I'm to address the shape in the center, which I still have no idea what I want to do. Anybody? Anybody out there have an idea? I'm literally drawing a blank right now. Oh my god. Okay, hold on guys. Alright, so I thought about it, and we are going to do a cactus, because here I am in the middle of Arizona. What better thing to do than a cactus? And we're going to do it slightly off center. Let's see if I can adjust that. Okay, so we have one arm down. And like that. Okay. I think that's fun. What do you guys think? So we got our tape down. All set. Now we're just going to come in and we're going to paint over all the black with a paintbrush. Now remember, the paint you use, you do not want silicone, you do not want Floetrol, just pure paint. And when you apply it, you're going to pull towards the edge of your tape. So you're pulling it inwards. What that does is it pulls the paint underneath any lip, any area that might be slightly raised. So when it dries, it's going to give you a crisper, cleaner look. So let me get this done, and I'll see you guys in the next step. Okay everyone, so I have all the tape painted, it's all dry, and it is all ready for us to do our next coat. That is fun little things. We're going to be putting a white base coat down, and then we're just going to be pouring some paint through one of these, and probably about there. Looks good. Let me get the paint down and we'll be right back. Okay, so I got the base coat down. Just gonna put these where I wanted them. Let's get into this. We are going to be using 2 color shifts, a LUKAS CRYL, and 4 Sherwin-Williams colors. Sherwin-Williams are going to be Skanda, Calypso, Hazel, and Black. And then color shift, we have the Aqua and Emerald. And then the LUKAS CRYL, Silver, Bronze. Alright, so let me let this dry and we'll be back in the morning so we can take a look at it and see what it looks like then. So I'll see you guys when this is dry. Bye. Okay everyone, welcome back. So I went ahead and removed the cactus ahead of time. I did have something fall in the night, so I had to quickly act upon it, but Dun dun dun. So that's where we're at, and I got this cool cactus now that I'm gonna let set and everything, and then maybe varnish, and let's remove the borders real quick. And again, you can get some really cool skins out of this. We're just gonna keep turning this. It's really pretty right there. And the last side, which I can already see I'm gonna have to come in with some black paint and touch up these corners. So we have some really cool cells, some really cool skins that we can use off of here. A fun cactus to play with later on. And here we go. But there we are on a 20 by 20. Yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Was this easy enough for you guys to follow? Just wanted a quick tutorial kinda on how to do the borders like I do. Don't forget to hit like, share, comment, and check out all the little sites. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!